The crypto market offers a variety of ways to earn rewards. In some cases, such as with soft staking, you just need to hold your coins or tokens to start earning. Staking is a process that allows you to receive more crypto by storing a specific amount of coins in a wallet. From the user's perspective, it may look like a savings account. However, staking also works to support security and decentralization on blockchain networks. Soft staking implies that users' funds are not locked, meaning they can be moved at any time. As a result, you can earn rewards regardless of how you deploy your assets. You can hold tokens, trade, make transactions, and still be eligible for staking rewards. In order to participate in soft staking, you need a platform or crypto network that supports this feature. After selecting the appropriate one, you need to send tokens to the wallet and hold them for a certain period of time. This is called a staking period. Rewards will then be added to your wallet with each consecutive staking period. Staking periods could be different depending on the platform or network where you stake. For example, on CEX.IO, you can earn staking rewards every month for all supported cryptocurrencies. To earn staking rewards on CEX.IO, you just need to fund your account with stakeable tokens and hold them in your balance. No additional actions are needed. Soft staking is typically considered a beginner-friendly way to earn rewards in crypto because you don't need in-depth knowledge of the staking process. Just hold crypto and earn more tokens along the way. You can join and stop participating in soft staking at any point by moving your funds. Enjoy flexibility and unlock the potential of your crypto portfolio with soft staking. Want to learn more about staking? Check the links in the description. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button below to find out more about crypto. Thanks for watching, and may the markets trend in your favor.